At Anderson Global, we use Siemens NX software to engineer and design the tooling we are building for you. Siemens NX software is a flexible and powerful integrated solution that allows us to fully integrate into the designs all aspects of manufacturing that match exactly what your tool will be built to. There is huge value using this method. This means that every nut and bolt, threaded hole, cooling line, thermocouple, edge brake and chamfer and all other components are included. Everything is included into these assembly models. In addition, our models include an integrated color coding system and PMI noting to fully detail out the required machining tolerancing. We believe our CAD models must fully represent the design intent or you risk the possibility of quality issues. In our shop, if the pattern maker has a question on how to build the tool, check a part number or measure a feature, they have a computer at their workstation and can interrogate the model to get the proper answers. With this approach, as a customer you receive CAD models that speak to you through our unique color coding system. We can also include a bill of materials that has vendor, part number, and purchasing information. Imagine, in the future if you need to repair or replace certain components. You can find it much faster and more accurately with the engineering package we can provide for you. If you agree that there is value in this way of engineering and building tools, please contact us for a discussion, and let's see if we can help you today.
To learn more about Anderson Global, check out our website at www.andersonglobal.com. You can also find us on our LinkedIn page or our YouTube channel. See you next week.